Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here today with another vlog. So I look like a hot mess right now. I just woke up, but I did do my bed. So I am going to be going to my friend's baby shower today and just running some errands. I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys with me. I do also go on vacation tomorrow, so I am excited for that. I will be prepping for that as well today. So if you want to go ahead and see a day in my life, just keep watching. So I'm going to do my hair now, Target right now to get my friend a gift. And then I'm gonna go to the mall and see if I can find some slides for my vacation. I'm gonna be staying at X Cartet. So for those of you guys who don't know, that is in Cancun. It is an all-inclusive resort. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack light. I'm gonna be there for 4 days. I first like to go ahead and use a heat protector. So this one is by Truss. I do also use their hair mask. So there are two different type of clumpers that I have. I have this one. This one's a smaller one. And then I also have this one. This is a bigger one. So whenever I want more of a loose wave, I'll go ahead and use the bigger one. And then when I want them not as wavy, I just go ahead and use this one. This one I got it from Target. And then the other one of my friends, she actually gave it to me. She owns a hair salon. I really like both of them. And then I also do like this one. Like whenever I'm in a rush, I just use this one and I go fast, and they also come out loose and it takes me about 10 minutes. And I actually do have extensions on, so sometimes like having extensions can take a lot longer with your hair when it comes to like curling, blow drying and all of that. And I want to go ahead and just try to hurry a bit with doing my hair, because I'm going to be picking up my friend after. She's gonna come with me to the mall and also Target. So I'm going to try to hurry up and get my hair done. And then I am also doing laundry right now. I always like to do laundry before I go on vacation, just so that when I come back I don't have too much laundry to do. I do also like to clean my house, so I'm going to try to do that tonight as well. And I do also work from home, so I want to make sure I also get some of my work done before I go, because when I am on vacation I don't like to worry about work or have to worry about anything. I just want to relax and enjoy my time. Okay, so I just finished my hair and this is what it looks like. And then I am going to be using the Ever Sleek Argan Oil so that it can keep my hair very sleek. So I only like to put a little bit because I don't want my hair to get oily. I mostly like to do it towards the bottom and then go upwards. And then I'm gonna just put this down a little bit. You guys see how it's a little puffy. So what I like to use is these little clips from Dry Bar, and I would just go ahead and hold it on here. I keep these clips on while I'm changing, or sometimes while I'm doing my makeup, but I'm not gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna just go ahead and go like this. So let me just change and then I will see you guys in the car. Okay, so every single time I get to the parking structure, I could never find my car. It is so annoying. So what happens is, a lot of times I will go out one day and run all my errands, and then 2 days later I won't drive, so I just completely forget where I parked my car. So I went through all the floors. I went through 3 floors, and then I finally found my car, and she is also nice and clean. I just got a car wash. I usually get a car wash every single Friday. You know, I have to keep a clean car, especially since this is a new car. I just want it to look new every single day. So I am now going to pick up my friend. She actually lives down the street from me. So we ended up coming to Pollo Tropical. It is just really healthy, just chicken, rice, and then a bread, and then black beans. And then this is my friend Tiffany. She also got chicken, rice, and then of course Diet Coke. Oh, she got the Caesar salad. So we are just going to go ahead and eat really quick, and then I'm gonna head to the mall. So I am deciding with these ones, the pole slides, and then also these leather ones. Comment down below which ones do you guys think I should get. So here by my house, they actually have this little dog museum right over there. I'm gonna be walking there and show you guys. I did see them last time. I just wanted to come by again and show you guys what they have. But this is such a beautiful park, and it's also a beautiful day. Here is a street cat. And then we have another cat right over here. And then look at this big one. Wow, beautiful. So they have like so many of them here. And then right over here. And then there's actually a museum up there. I do want to go there soon, so I'll go ahead and make sure to take you guys with me. Then we have this boxer. This one is called Bernard 1. And then we have more right over here. And look at this bulldog, Lucky. He is just chilling. I also like this one here. This one is a Brazilian short hair. Her name is Natasha. Wow, she has a beautiful name. She reminds me and gives me Hawaiian vibes. And then we found Adora's cousin, a poodle. This is a mini poodle from Germany, and her name is Cinnamon. So beautiful. She looks just like Adora, doesn't she? And this is another one of my favorites. This one has butterflies. Oh my god, so pretty. Adora likes that one too. Oh, Adora. She's getting so happy. Look at her doing so good. She's not barking at them. And then this one, I think this one's also really cool. Like, just look at the colors. Wow. This one is Starlight. So I just got home from the baby shower. I still need to pack. I have not started packing. So this is my outfit. I wore just this pink dress with a white handbag, my diesel bag, and then some silver heels. I wanted just to wear pink because she is having a girl, and this dress is actually from Shein. I will make sure to put the link down below in the description box. And I have a mess in my room right now. As you guys can see, I have all that clothes out because I wasn't sure what to wear. And I still haven't packed my clothes. So I'm going to start packing right now. And we're mostly going to be like at the beach and like the park. So I can just take like bikini, shorts, and I'll be fine. And I want to be really, really comfortable. So I won't take too long unpacking, so I'm gonna get straight into that right now. So I didn't get a chance to record too many videos at the baby shower because I was just in the moment, but oh my god, everything was so beautiful. I loved everything. It was just so pretty. Everything was pink, nice balloons. The games were so much fun. I actually won one of the games, which was a game where we had to change the diaper, and they actually put chocolate to make it look like poop, which is so funny. I went against a guy and we were a tie, but then they said that I won because I was being very gentle. But it was so much fun and everything was just beautiful. Okay, so I just laid out all of my outfits. I just need to go ahead and add all of my accessories and handbags. For some of these outfits, I already have my shoes planned out. I don't have a lot of stuff. I'm surprised I didn't overpack, but I am expecting for all of this here to fit in a carry-on bag and also a backpack. So just wish me luck on that. I'm going to take out my carry-on right now and then also use my cubes, which I will show you guys shortly. So these are all of the organizers and bags that I like to use, and I do like to use clear ones just because I'm able to see what's in all of the bags. So these silver ones with clear, I got them from Primark. It was in a pack of 3. And then on this one, I got it from like Shein. I like to put my makeup brushes in here. When I put all of these in these like little bags, I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. This is one of the cubes that I have that I also like to use. So I'm gonna fit all of that stuff in this small carry-on. And this carry-on, I've actually had it for a while. I got it from Ross and it's still in pretty good condition. It doesn't look at scratch, and I travel so much. I also have the check-in one of these, and it was only about like $49. This is the brand, it's called Legacy Light. But it is also a really pretty pink. Okay, so in here I have all of my bikinis, underwears, cover-ups, and also socks. And then here I just have all of my outfits, and then I have a handbag here, and then I'm gonna just put this one on top, and I'm gonna close this up so everything fits perfect. And then here I have my makeup, all of my hygiene stuff, accessories, jewelry. I usually use another pouch for my jewelry, like it's more organized, but I didn't really have the patience to put all of my rings there, so I just went ahead and threw all my jewelry in here, my hair clips and all of that. And then I have some shoes here, water shoes, my tripod, I have a curler, straightener, and also blow dryer. And then I have some sandals, and then I do just have this bag that I need to add on there. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow. So I usually always travel with this Louis backpack, but I recently just purchased this Prada backpack. I really like it. This one's actually the bigger size one. There's a smaller one as well, but this one fits a lot of stuff and it's not as heavy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add this bag, and then if I need to bring anything back, I can just go ahead and add it in here. And then I do also have another section for all of my electronics, which I'm working on right now, and I can just go ahead and throw that in here. But you see, you guys can't really see, but it fits a lot of stuff in here. I did actually do like a little reel on this one on TikTok, so if you guys want to go ahead and follow me on TikTok, you guys can see more details on this backpack. So I am doing laundry now, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys this detergent that I use. This one actually works really good. I already have used almost a full one. This is my second bottle. I got it from Target. Okay, so I am now going to just finally take off my makeup. I was going to do it before I started packing, but I just got carried away with like planning out all of my outfits because I'm just so excited. So I actually have been to Tulum and Cancun before, and I went to this park called Xcaret, and I went for one day for like 3 hours. I went late, they were about to close, and the friends that I went with, all they wanted to do was like party. I'm all about doing like adventurous things. I want to go see the caves and all that. So I finally decided to go back, and I will be staying at an all-inclusive resort, so I'm just so excited. So with that being said, I am going to close out today's vlog. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications on, because after this vlog I will be doing the Tulum vlog, so I want to go ahead and take you guys with me. And I also bought like a little thing for your neck. I forgot what it's called, but you put your phone in it, like, and you can take it in the water, and I'm going to be doing a lot of water activities, so I'm going to be able to show you guys. So make sure you turn your post notifications on. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.